Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will learn how to Bravorize Figma file. So you can open in Bravo and then you can convert it to native apps. So first, open the Figma.com, and then you can create the new file, new design file. And then you will use a plugin Bravorize plugin. So you can go to file, plugin, and then you can choose manage plugin. Then you can search for Bravo, find the Bravorize, and then you can save. Then you can click to open. Okay, in the Bravo you can see there's a lot of template that have been created for you under UI preset. And then if you already create your own apps, you can add a you want to add a tag for Bravo, you can use this one. And then this is for checker, and then this for you have asked question, can you ask to AI, yeah? Okay, for example, you want to use the set. So first one, you want to create the icon. So icon is under as apps asset. So for example, you want to use this. Okay, just copy, and then can paste, click the stage, and then Control V to paste. So if I want to just use this text, I delete. The next, I want to create for example, a top bar, different top bar effect. So scroll, set top bar effect. Okay, I want to use this one as my home. First, I want to before that I want to create a menu. Okay, so this I want to use menu models. So I copy this one. I can paste here, and then you can. And then I want to use this one top bar fix as my home. I want to copy this one, and then click here, Control V. Okay, okay, just want to change this to home. Okay. Okay, next I want to link this one. This one top bar height on. Click here and then paste this stage. And then this one copy, Ctrl C, and then click Ctrl V. Then this one copy, then click stage, Ctrl V. The next one to link the prototype, link the pages. So we will click on the prototype. Okay, and then we link this button home. You can double click, right? You want to link to this home, and then this one want to link to this one, and this one. Okay, and then for the menu, to open the menu, you use this one. Okay, click on this one and click and the menu. Okay, same with these pages. Double click, select the button, and link to the menu. And same with this one. Okay, then same with this one. Okay. Now, uh, we have already create our, and then you want to open in Bravo. You can click share, then click copy link, and open Bravo Studio. You can type Bravo Studio, okay. Then you can click here, and you can click the create new apps, okay. And then paste your link, Control V, inside this Figma, and then click connect Bravorizer Figma file. And after you finish, you can open you can install a Bravo Vision to view the apps that have been created. Okay, and after you open when you install the Bravo Vision, then you have to log in using the same okay, this is our Bravo. You can open your Bravo Vision, and then you open this file. Oh, this file is untitled, so let us rename the file. Okay, for example, this one here, top bar effect. Okay, and then if you make a changes in a Figma, you can go directly to the Bravo Studio, and then uh, just click this one, uh, refresh. Okay, you can see that every changes they have that they have made in the Figma will be effect in the file in the Bravo. So okay, so you can open your provision and view the final apps. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.